Are you tired of lag, latency, or slow internet speeds ruining your gaming experience? Today, we'll uncover the top 5 best gaming-grade Ethernet cables that promise high-speed, reliable performance for gamers and professionals alike. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the ZoeRax ZMC8R gaming-grade Ethernet cable. The ZoeRax ZMC8R gaming-grade Ethernet cable is designed for users who demand top-tier performance for gaming and professional networking needs. With its robust build, cutting-edge specifications, and versatility, it promises blazing fast data transfer speeds and exceptional reliability. Let's evaluate its features, advantages, and potential drawbacks. Pros. Exceptional build quality. The 22-aux solid copper conductor wiring ensures durability and high performance. Double shielding with individually foiled pairs and overall aluminum shielding minimizes electromagnetic interference and ensures reliable, consistent connections. Future-proof for next-gen networks. Designed for advanced 40G network systems, it caters to professional environments requiring extreme speed and reliability, such as data centers, broadcast stations, and media servers. Enhanced gaming and streaming experience. Provides a buffer-free connection, ensuring smooth gameplay, fast downloads, and lag-free streaming even under heavy network loads. Warranty and support. Comes with a 1-year limited warranty and premium online support, showcasing ZoeRax's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Plug-and-play simplicity. Modular RAGE 45 connectors make it easy to set up without the need for advanced technical expertise. Cons. Bulkier design. The double-shielded construction, while beneficial for performance, may result in a thicker and less flexible cable, making it less suitable for tight spaces or intricate setups. The ZoeRax ZMC8R gaming-grade Ethernet cable is an outstanding choice for gamers, streamers, and professionals who demand high-speed, reliable network performance. Its robust construction, compatibility with a wide range of devices, and next-gen speed capabilities make it a future-proof solution for demanding applications. While it may be excessive for casual users or standard home setups, it shines in high-speed environments such as corporate networks, data centers, and high-performance gaming systems. If you're looking to eliminate lag and maximize network efficiency, this cable is a solid investment. Number 4 is the Ampcom AYWW8010 gaming-grade Ethernet cable. The Ampcom AYWW8010 gaming-grade Ethernet cable is designed for users demanding high-speed, reliable connectivity. With a focus on next-generation networking needs, its premium build quality and extensive compatibility make it suitable for both professional and home environments. Let's explore its features, advantages, and drawbacks to help you decide if this cable is the right choice for your networking setup. Pros. Exceptional build quality. The use of 22-aux solid copper conductor wiring and multiple shielding layers ensures robust performance, minimal interference, and long-term durability. High-speed performance. Supporting up to 40 Gbps networks and certified for up to 2 GHz, this cable is tailored for data-intensive tasks like video streaming, gaming, and corporate applications. Versatile compatibility. The standard RAGE 45 port makes it compatible with a broad range of devices, from gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox to networking equipment like routers, NAS systems, and PoE devices. Ideal for professional use, its certification and performance metrics make it a reliable choice for corporate settings, data centers, and broadcast stations that require stable and high-speed connections. Gaming ready. With its low latency and robust build, the cable is perfect for gamers looking for an edge in competitive online gaming. Cons. Limited flexibility. The solid copper conductor wiring, while durable, may reduce flexibility compared to cables with stranded wiring, making it slightly more challenging to manage in tight spaces. The Ampcom AYWW8010 gaming-grade Ethernet cable is a top-tier networking solution for professionals, gamers, and enthusiasts requiring high-speed, reliable connections. Its exceptional build quality, compatibility, and next-gen performance make it a standout option in its category. While its advanced features might be overkill for basic home networking, it's a worthwhile investment for those in need of a premium cable for demanding tasks. Whether you're setting up a corporate network or optimizing your gaming rig, the Ampcom AYWW8010 is a robust and future-proof choice. Coming in at number 3 is the YYTCG gaming-grade Ethernet cable. The YYTCG gaming-grade Ethernet cable promises cutting-edge performance for gaming enthusiasts, esports professionals, and those requiring high-speed, reliable networking solutions. With a combination of innovative features, robust build quality, and impressive speed capabilities, it aims to deliver a lag-free, stable network experience. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros: exceptional speed and bandwidth. Supports a bandwidth of 2000 MHz and a transmission rate of 40 Gbps, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and heavy office downloads. Features download speeds up to 5120 MBs, ensuring lightning-fast performance for demanding tasks. Compliant with network standards. Adheres to NC TIA YY568C21 and ISO ENC01 standards, guaranteeing compatibility with modern broadband systems and ensuring optimal routing and transmission efficiency. Advanced shielding for stability. Incorporates a special woven mesh and double-layer aluminum foil protection to reduce interference and ensure stable signal transmission, even in environments with potential disruptions. Esports-grade performance. Equipped with a new high PCB core circuit board and fever-grade, all-metal shielded connectors, designed for ultra-fast performance in esports settings and high-speed gaming scenarios. Versatile compatibility. Works seamlessly with Cat8 cables and a variety of devices, including optical modems, routers, and high-speed gaming setups, ensuring compatibility with advanced home broadband over 100 MBps. Cons: bulkier design. The heavy-duty shielding and woven mesh design may make the cable thicker and less flexible, potentially limiting its suitability for compact or intricate setups. The YYTCG gaming-grade Ethernet cable excels in delivering high-speed, stable, and interference-free internet performance. Its esports-grade design and compliance with modern standards make it an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts who need top-tier networking solutions. Number 2 is the Ataudio gaming-grade Ethernet cable. The Ataudio gaming-grade Ethernet cable is crafted to meet the demands of gamers, streamers, and anyone seeking seamless connectivity. With its advanced design and features like support for 40 Gbps speeds, enhanced shielding, and gold-plated connectors, this Ethernet cable aims to eliminate lag and maximize performance. Let's delve into its features, pros, and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your setup. Pros: exceptional speed and bandwidth. With support for 40 Gbps speeds and a 2000 MHz bandwidth, this cable ensures minimal latency for gaming, video streaming, and file transfers, making it ideal for high-performance environments. Reliable and durable build. The OC conductor and multi-layer shielding provide robust anti-interference properties, ensuring stable and uninterrupted data transmission even in challenging conditions. Enhanced connector quality. Gold-plated pins resist aging, corrosion, and oxidation, ensuring a consistent and reliable connection over time. Versatile compatibility. The Ridge 45 interface allows it to work seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including gaming consoles, PCs, switches, and network cards, as well as setups in live rooms and bars. Future-proof. Optimized for Wi-Fi 6 networks, this cable is designed to handle the increasing demands of modern households and professional environments. Low latency for gamers. Specifically targeted at gaming enthusiasts, the cable ensures no lag during online gameplay, giving users a competitive edge in fast-paced gaming scenarios. Cons: bulkier design. The heavy shielding and robust construction may make the cable less flexible, which could be an issue for tight spaces or intricate setups. The Ataudio gaming-grade Ethernet cable stands out as a premium choice for gamers, professionals, and anyone requiring high-speed, low-latency connections. Its advanced build, exceptional speed, and future-proof design make it a reliable and high-performing solution for demanding applications. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Hagibis ENC01 gaming-grade Ethernet cable. The Hagibis ENC01 gaming-grade Ethernet cable offers an innovative and versatile approach to networking, With its unique design for flexibility and high-speed performance, it caters to users who need reliable connectivity in both home and office environments. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros: flexible and adjustable design. Features a 90° bending and 360° rotation capability, making it ideal for tight spaces and varied setups. Allows arbitrary adjustment, ensuring neat and organized wiring even in confined areas. Adaptability for multiple scenarios. Designed to function seamlessly in both home and office environments, addressing networking needs for gaming, streaming, or professional use. Easily handles small spaces where traditional cables may struggle to fit. High-speed performance. Supports a 40 Gbps transmission rate and 2000 MHz bandwidth, ensuring ultra-fast data transfer for gaming, streaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. These specifications make it suitable for modern broadband systems and high-speed internet plans. Stable internet access. Built to provide reliable and uninterrupted network performance, enhancing speed and reducing latency for an improved online experience. Ideal for tasks that demand stable connectivity, such as video conferencing, online gaming, and large file transfers. Premium quality and testing. The data and specifications are backed by Hagibis Lab, ensuring performance claims are thoroughly tested and verified. Neat cable management. The cable's ability to bend and rotate reduces clutter, contributing to a more organized workspace or entertainment setup. Cons: limited compatibility with older equipment. While it excels in modern setups, the cable's high-speed capabilities may be underutilized with older networking hardware that doesn't support 40 Gbps speeds or 2000 MHz bandwidth. The Hagibis ENC01 gaming-grade Ethernet cable is an excellent choice for users seeking flexibility, high-speed performance, and reliable connectivity. Its innovative design, capable of bending and rotating, makes it a standout option for setups in small or challenging spaces.